Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, we are talking about one of the most crucial aspects of backend development, database design and management. Whether you are using SQL or NoSQL, understanding how to design and manage databases is key to building efficient backend systems. Let's just start with the basics. SQL and NoSQL databases. SQL databases like MySQL and PostgreSQL use structured query language to manage data. They are great for applications that require complex queries and transactions. On the other hand, NoSQL databases like MongoDB are designed for flexibility and scalability. They store data in formats like JSON and BASIN, making them ideal for applications that handle large volumes of unstructured data. Next, let's talk about database schema design. A well-designed schema is essential for efficient data storage and retrieval. When designing your schema, think about the relationships between your data, whether it's one-to-one, one-to-many, or many-to-many. For example, if you are building an e-commerce application, you might have tables for users, products, and orders. The orders table will have foreign keys referencing both users and products, indicating which user places the order and which products are in the order. Once your schema is designed, you will want to optimize your database performance. This can involve indexing frequently queried fields, normalizing your data to eliminate redundancy, and using transactions to ensure data consistency. In NoSQL databases, optimizing performance can involve sharding, dividing your data across multiple servers to handle large volumes of data and improve query performance. Finally, let's discuss some best practices for managing your databases. Regularly backup your data to prevent loss. Monitor your database's performance to identify potential issues early. And to keep your database software updated to patch security vulnerabilities. Also make sure to manage user access carefully, only granting permissions that are necessary for each user to prevent unauthorized access. That wraps up our introduction to database design and management. In future videos, we will explore more advanced topics like database replication and scaling. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching and Assalamu alaikum.